DIYers, hey, what's going on? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking fire extinguishers today, and we're going to show you how to inspect or check your expiration date on your extinguisher. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, we have made our way to the workstation, and on the left-hand side is the box that contained 2 fire extinguishers, and we have removed both of them from that box. You see one of them on the right. However, the second one has already been mounted on the wall in our pantry. We will show you that here shortly. However, real quick, a little info on this specific branded fire extinguisher. As you see here, it is water-based, which we really like, and it fights 4 classes of fires, and those 4 being Class A, B, C, and K, and Class A is wood, paper, and textiles, Class B is liquid, gas, and grease, Class C is electrical, and Class K is cooking media. The extinguishing applicant inside those bottles or extinguishers are safe, non-toxic, and can be wiped off with a wet rag after use. However, most, if not all of us, really hope not to ever use these. In other words, we really hope that we never have to experience a fire where we would have to revert to using these. However, it is extremely recommended and extremely smart to have these installed in your home so they are readily accessible for you and your family members for usage in the event of a fire. However, again, in this video, we want to talk about how to check the expiration date of your extinguisher and figure out when it's time to replace it. And I want to focus on our specific bottle. Coming to the very bottom, you will see a stamp, and in our case, it says manufactured 2024/07, and that is July 2024. And looking at the entire bottle, top to bottom, as well as the sprayer and pin mechanism up top, there is no expiration date stamped on our bottle. And if you do not have an expiration date stamped on your bottle, as we don't, then we will revert again back to the manufacturing date, July 2024, and we are going to add 10 years to that, and that becomes July 2034. And DIYers, the more reading you do on when to replace your fire extinguisher, you will find a wide variety of companies that manufacture extinguishers, ultimately leading to a 10-year window for the recommendation of replacing it. In other words, after putting all of the branded and manufactured extinguishers together, you have an average window to replace your extinguisher between 5 and 15 years, and the dead center of that becomes 10 years. So with that said, due to the fact that our bottle does not have an expiration date, we revert back to the manufacturing date and add 10 years. If your bottle has both a manufacturing date and an expiration date, you will always follow and abide by and honor the expiration date. And when that date is reached, you will want to replace your extinguisher, even if it was never used. In addition to that, DIYers, down below in the comments and description will be additional video links, which I highly recommend checking out. And a few of those videos include installing that wall mount so you can hang your extinguisher, as well as another video where we dive deeper into when you need to replace your extinguisher. Outside of just the expiration date, there are additional items that could lead you to replace your extinguisher before then. And on top of that, a video link talking about where you should properly dispose your expired or used extinguishers. You don't just throw them in the trash. You don't just throw them in a trash bin or garbage bin in your community. You don't take them to a rest stop and throw them in the garbage. There is a very high recommended way and process or place or few places to take your expired or used extinguishers so they don't land up in your local or a municipality or state landfill by the thousands. That's not what they want. That is not safe nor environmentally friendly. Making our way inside the pantry, and as you can see, here is our second bottle mounted on the wall, and it is very friendly to pull out and put back in. How cool is that? In addition, down below is a link where we review the Prepared Hero fire blanket, and we recommend having that as well.